now we will talk about the technique of measuring the gas. As you see, this is a confined space. And there are two vents, one at this end and one at this end, and there is also one vent in the middle, okay? And there are 3 manholes, and we want to measure the gas using the multiple gas detector. As everybody knows, the multiple gas detector has 4 panels, one for the oxygen, one for carbon monoxide, one for H2S, and one for LEL, or lower exclusive limit of the gas. I'm not going to repeat what I have said about these 4 gases, but what I want to emphasize, the technique of measuring the gas. If you consider that this confined space could be, for example, 10 meters high, 10 meters high, and 40 meters wide, 40 meters wide. Needless to say that the distribution of gas inside the confined space should not be equal. For example, if you take the measurement here, do you think it is equal to the measurement here?
No.
Do you think it is equal to the measurement here?
No.
Of course not. Why? Heavier gases, they recede down. For example, H2S. H2S is heavier than air. Lighter gases, they go upstairs. For example, methane. Oxygen and CO in the middle. I will tell you the story of a safety officer who was newly hired and he would like to prove himself before the operation manager. He went and he put the multiple gas detector in the middle, like that, by the rope. Okay? It gave him some results. Immediately, he copied the results on a piece of paper. Oxygen, 21%, H2S 5 ppm, carbon monoxide 10 ppm, LEL 0. And he rushed back to the operation manager. Here is the result of the gas test. The operation manager told him, I'm sorry, I cannot accept this result. Why do you think the operation manager refused the result? Why?
Maybe because he's a newly hired and he needs to double check with him first.
No.
The readings were not
not taking from multi places.
Excellent. Because we did not take at 3 levels, upper level, middle level, and lower level. So, he went back again and he took the results at 3 different levels and he copied them, upper level, middle level, lower level. And he presented them back to the operation manager. Yet, the operation manager refused. He told him, this is wrong. Why do you think the operation manager refused? Yes, please.
Because he did not check from all the points of manhole. He only checked from one manhole, but he didn't go through another point of the vessel.
Yes, excellent. Because usually each 10 feet, we have to take one measurement, and this measurement should be at 3 different levels. Upper levels, middle level, and lower level. the newly hired safety officer, he rushed back and he did another measurement at each manhole. He did a measurement at 3 different levels. He went back to the operation manager and the operation manager refused. Guess what? What is the reason behind the refusal?
Should take the average.
No. Yes.
Probably that vessel length is 40 feet, so this one test is only for 10 feet, so he has to take 4 readings from different.
No.
And every level has to be, like if he wants to take the middle level, the man should do it from the manhole itself, not from the top.
No. The reason, because the operation manager was looking at him. The safety officer was dipping in the apparatus to the lower level, taking the reading, then taking it up to the middle level, taking the reading, then taking it up to the upper level, taking it up. This is absolutely wrong, because you should consider each level as one separate occasion. One separate occasion, it means you have to take the apparatus out, you have to reset the apparatus, you have to make sure that the tube which sucks the air from the environment is not re-toxicated with the gas from the previous level. How to make sure of that? There are some devices equipped with a strong pump, okay, and the pump do suction of air. When you get the apparatus out in the fresh air, give the apparatus some time to reset itself and to pump fresh air into the tube. This is one method. Another method, to remove the tube, flush it with air, and then insert the tube again. So the technique should emphasize on the following. Each 10 feet, you take one occasion at 3 different levels. Each level should be considered as one separate occasion, after which you have to take the apparatus out, reset the apparatus, flush the tube with air, or give a chance for the tube to clean itself by the action of the pump, provided that you are situated in a fresh air environment. Thank you very much for paying attention to my piece of advice.